Windy weather is on the way for the end of the week. Meteorologist Adam Rutt takes a look at the setup.
The last couple of days have been pretty kind to us, especially with the lack of windy weather. By Thursday, however, that is expected to change. We're used to seeing our fair share of windy days across KELOLAND, but the last few days have been pretty calm. High pressure aloft and at the surface has kept things quiet, but change is on the way. A developing system will move into KELOLAND by Thursday. While we'll certainly watch for our chances for rain and snow in the area, we'll also need to watch the anemometer. Rather gusty conditions will move into KELOLAND and stick around through Friday as low pressure is slow to depart with high pressure waiting to the west. This creates something called a pressure gradient, which can be seen when isobars are packed close together. The strength of the observed wind speed or gust will depend on two things: the difference in pressure between high and low, and the distance between the two systems. The higher the difference and the shorter the distance, the stronger the wind can become. Thankfully, we'll calm down by the weekend. High pressure will move in, the gradient will loosen, and winds will calm down as a result. Until we get to that point, though, get ready to hold on to your hats, literally. For KELOLAND Weather, I'm meteorologist Adam Rutt.